this is Tanya Rowling. I'm back with another video. Do watch my other videos as well. I would be teaching CBSE Class 10 Maths NCERT syllabus and my sister Tina Lofus would be teaching CBSE Class 8 Maths NCERT syllabus. Alright, now let's get into the video. Today we are going to be solving exercise 1.4 second question. Now let's read the question. So the question is, write down the decimal expansions of those rational numbers in question 1 above which have terminating decimal expansions. So this is the question. So in this question, what we are supposed to do is, whatever things we solved in the previous question, that is the first question, we got few rational numbers. So rational numbers means they are in the form p by q. So after solving the rational numbers, we got whether it is terminating or non-terminating decimal expansion. So in that question, whatever subdivisions we got terminating decimal expansions, we are going to use those numbers for solving it. Okay, now let me solve. So in the previous question, 15 by 1600. So when we solve this, we got terminating decimal expansion. So we are going to be solving this also. Okay, so here we shall write 1600 is in the form 2 power 6 into 5 square. So you guys might ask, how did we get this form? So how we got this, let me show that. So here, as you guys can see, after solving it, we got certain prime factorization. After solving the prime factorization method, we got certain numbers right over here. Am I right? So still we have the numbers. Why? Because we didn't get the last number as 1. So let me show that too. So this is the continuation of that. So after that, we got 5 into 5. So totally we got, so after solving it, we got 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So we got 2 power 6 into 5 square. So we got this one. Here you guys can see I took that same form, that is 2 power 6 into 5 square. Okay. Now what we are going to do is 15 by 1600 is equal to, I am going to write 15 as it is, divided by, I am going to write this form, that is 2 power 6 into 5 square. So here you guys can see we have 2 power 6, okay, we have 6 right over here, and here we have 5 square, so which is smallest, and here the power is greatest and here the power is smallest, but we should write the similar value, that is 6. Here also 6 has to be there, here also 6 has to be there. So what we are going to do is, we are going to be writing into 5 square into 5 power. So totally we should get 6 numbers. Am I right? Totally I have 6 numbers right over here. In that now we have 2 numbers. So let's take 2 numbers. We have 2 numbers. Still we should take 4 numbers to get 6. Okay. Why? Because here 2 is there, but we should get 6 in this place. So what we did is, we wrote into 5 power 4. Why? Because 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 after 5, 6. So to make it stable to 2 power 6, I just did it like this. Why? Because we can't just cancel it and we can't write 6, right? That's why instead I wrote into 5 power 4. Why? Because here 4 plus 2 is 6. So here also I am going to be writing 5 power 4. Okay. Now let's solve it. So I am writing is equal to 15 into, so when we solve 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, that means we should put 5 4 times. So when we put 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, when we just solve it, we get an answer, that is 625. Okay. So now it is 15 into 625. So here you guys can see, we shall write this 2 as it is, 2 power 6, and here instead of taking 2 5, we shall take 1 5. Why? Because both are similar numbers, right? So we shall write into 5. Okay, then you guys might ask, what about the powers? So what we are going to do is, here it is in the plus form, here also it is in the addition form. So what we are going to do is, we are going to add them up. So when we add 4 plus 2, it is 6. So we shall write 6. So now it is 5 power 6, which is the power is exactly similar to this power. Okay, now let's write 15 into 625 divided by, so here the powers are similar. So what we are going to do is, we are going to write 2 into 5 whole 6. Okay, why we are writing like this? Because instead of whenever we have the similar powers, we just put it like this, we just write it like this. So here we have similar powers, that is 6. So I wrote 2 into 5 the whole 6. Okay, whole 6 I wrote. Okay, so here the 6 belongs to 2 as well as 5. So the 6 belongs to 2 as well as 5. Remember this. Okay, now what we are going to do is, we are going to just multiply these numbers. Okay, so when we multiply 625 into 15, I mean 15 into 625, we get 9375. So divided by, so here 5 2s are, it is 10. Am I right? So 5 2s are, it is 10. So we shall write 10, and here here we have 6. So we shall write 6. Okay, now it is 10 power 6. Okay, now we are going to be putting the decimal point. So is equal to, we shall write 9375. I'm sorry. Okay, so here we have 6 power, that means we should write, so let me write 9375 divided by, so we should put 0 6 times. So let us put 1 2 3 4 5 6. So totally I put 6 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So totally I have 6 zeros. Do you guys know how to put the decimal point? So how we put the decimal point is, we just count the zeros, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Totally 6 zeros are there. So we are going to be putting the decimal point after counting 6 numbers. So here the numbers are 1 2 3 4 5 6, and here we are going to be putting the decimal point. Okay, so as you guys know, we should count the numbers, count the zeros. So totally we got 6 zeros, and now what we are going to do is, we are going to be putting the decimal point after 6 numbers in this. Okay, so here when we count 1 2 3 4, we don't have any other numbers, so we took 0 and again on 0, then totally 6 numbers, and after that we put decimal point, and again simply I put 0. Okay, so now this is the answer. So we found it in the decimal expansion. Pretty sure that you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, you can comment me in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye.